Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting UTM and the Windows 10 ISO ready. Point UTM to the ISO now and create a new virtual machine using Chemu. Choose architecture x86-64, then set basic resources, at least 4 GB RAM and a 64 GB QCOW2 disk so you can snapshot and grow later. Once done, enable UEFI firmware in the VM options and add a Vertio ISO if you plan to install optimized drivers during Windows setup. You boot the VM and begin the Windows 10 installer. Make sure the CD-ROM with the Windows ISO is first in boot order and attach the Vertio driver's ISO if present. During the setup, pick Custom Install, delete any placeholder partitions, and create a primary partition on the QCOW2 disk. Once Windows loads files and restarts, remove temporary boot devices when prompted. After initial setup, install Vertio storage and network drivers so Windows recognizes the disk and gets network access properly. You finish by installing the Vertio drivers, Spice tools, and fully updating Windows 10. After updates, fine-tune VM resources, increase CPUs or RAM if performance lags, and set display scaling in UTM. Create a snapshot now to capture a clean state. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Check firmware mode, UEFI versus legacy, and ensure the correct Vertio storage driver was loaded. Reattach the driver ISO. Load driver during setup and retry. That single step fixes most inability to detect disk issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.